A very warm welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss about two topics: sex chromosomal anomalies and Klinefelter disorder. Sex chromosomal anomalies. Sex chromosome abnormalities may be caused by full or partial deletions or duplications of sex chromosomes. Chromosomes are structures within cells that contain DNA and many genes. A gene is a segment of deoxyribonucleic acid (DNA) and contains the code for a specific protein that functions in one or more types of cells in the body. Genes contain instructions that determine how the body is supposed to look and function, except for certain cells, for example, sperms, egg cells, or red blood cells. Every human cell contains 23 pairs of chromosomes for a total of 46 chromosomes. As we all know, there are 22 pairs of chromosomes that are not sex chromosomes, called non-sex chromosomes, numbered chromosomes or autosomal chromosomes, and one pair of sex chromosomes. The sex chromosomes determine whether a fetus becomes male or female. A pair of X and Y chromosomes, XY, result in a male, and a pair of X and X chromosomes, XX, result in a female. Sex chromosome abnormalities occur when a person is missing a whole sex chromosome called monosomy or has an extra sex chromosome, one extra is trisomy. Abnormalities can also occur when a person is missing part of a sex chromosome called a deletion. For example, girls who have an extra sex chromosome often appear normal physically and mentally and are fertile. In contrast, children who have extra numbered chromosomes typically have severe abnormalities such as Down syndrome, which commonly result from a person having an extra chromosome 21. An extra chromosome 1 can be fatal to a fetus. Similarly, girls who are missing a sex chromosome have a specific syndrome called Turner syndrome, whereas fetuses who are missing a non-sex chromosome do not survive. Next topic we are going to discuss is Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome is one of the genetic disorders in males. It occurs when a male baby is born with more than required or extra X chromosomes. Many males consist of one X and one Y chromosome, and an extra chromosome can cause a male with physical traits which are inappropriate for males. Klinefelter syndrome is found in 1 out of 1000 males. The unwanted additional sex chromosome is a result of a random error in the formation of sperm or the egg. More than half of the time, the error happens in the sperm formation, while the remainder is due to complications in the egg development. Women with pregnancies after the age of 35 have slightly more chances of having a baby with this syndrome. A complete picture of a person's chromosomes is referred to as a karyotype. Any changes in this karyotype results in the chromosomal abnormalities, and Klinefelter syndrome is one among the chromosomal abnormalities with the presence of additional or an extra X chromosome in boys. Causes of Klinefelter syndrome. The existence of an extra X chromosome takes place when the genetic element splits unevenly in the egg. It can also develop when the genetic element splits unevenly in the sperm. Although this is one of the genetic disorders, it is not carried through family members. Symptoms of Klinefelter syndrome. There are no obvious symptoms in men with Klinefelter syndrome. Some have thinly dispersed hair, wide hips, and enlarged breast. The testicles in every man stay small, while in some the penis does not grow to the adult size. Treatment for Klinefelter syndrome. There are different types of treatment available for the Klinefelter syndrome, and based on signs and symptoms of the patients, the treatment varies. The treatment includes fertility treatments, psychological counseling, removal of excess breast tissue, hormonal replacement therapy, support and educational evaluation. Males affected by Klinefelter syndromes are given testosterone, which is a male sex hormone required for sexual enhancement. If the treatment begins near the age of puberty, it can serve boys to have proper body development. The testosterone is injected through a gel or skin patch. Normally, the treatment prolongs throughout a man's life, but does not assist infertility. Educational support and speech therapy can be helpful for boys with problems with language. A man is capable of having his sperm gathered via testicular sperm extraction if he wants to have children. The sperms are obtained during the test by inserting a clean needle within the testicle or a small cut formed in the testicle. Normal sperm is found and used in vitro fertilization. This is the physical appearance of a man affected with the Klinefelter syndrome. I have now come to the end of my presentation. Thanks for watching.